It is truly hard to understand.
I came to you because you are different. You are a respected seer, but it still bothers me as to why you fail to see who she truly is. Did you eat from her pot too? Onny, tell me you did not.
I will not lie to you. Every man in this kingdom has eaten from my hand.
Ah, this is bad.
She seems harmless. She is a very kind woman, compassionate and...
No! She is not. She is here to destroy. I know everything. See, I am here to help. Will you allow me to help save your land? I have the antidote to the potion she has been serving you. I can give it to you now. You will be free. And you can help save the men of Iduu.
I never wanted to go there. I never wanted to go. How would I want to go to a set of people that do not want me? I wasn't even allowed to get to my compound and they started blaming all their misfortune on me.
That is only one person that you saw.
Yes, one person. But he spoke the minds of the people. He was not even happy to see me. He did not even welcome me.
It's okay. Maybe it's not the right time.
There will never be a right time. I'm never going back there. Our place is messed up.
And your father's spirit? Make sure you make him understand you the next time he visits.
I decided to assist you clean up the mess they created because I wanted you to understand that the maidens of Iduu acted this on their own. And we will not allow this to happen again.
No, it won't, because I'm already leaving.
You're leaving? Are you that weak? You're leaving the land of Iduu because of the maidens? Oh, do not allow another person to hear this.
Look, I have no choice. I came in peace. The only crime I committed was making good food. Is it my fault that the women here do not know how to cook?
Thank the gods you just nailed it. The gods brought you in this land because our women do not know how to cook. We all depend on your food. If you leave now, what do we do?
You do not know much about this, so please do not bring in the gods into this.
What about me? Let us leave the men aside. You said, I mean a lot to you. I'm always there for you. Will you abandon me too over the women you have control over?
What are we going to do?
I'm scared. They threatened to come back for me.
Okay, I promise you here and now that they will not. I, Nduka, I will take care of them. I will take care of everything.
Powder is in this cup.
You want me to take this?
If you don't want to eat it, you can squeeze it into your mouth, drink, however you want it.
Hold on, please. Take a breath.
Why should I trust you? What is your interest in all this? You are a man of Agbanabo, of all places. What do you care?
I am a man from Agbanabo, the kingdom that hates your people. But remember, Okite, the woman that came here and started cooking for you, is the one we call Ugo Agbanabo. She is from Agbanabo too, and she lives among you. I have interest in this. I will tell you all about it. But you have to free yourself from her hold first. Take it.
I don't even know what to say right now.
Just take it. I know she has made you to see nothing about her. But I know you can still see many things. Just take your time and ask the gods if I mean any harm. Remember, the longer you take, the more your people and your kingdom becomes vulnerable. Take it.
The maidens cannot do anything. Are these not men? They are back to you.
Talking about men, there was this man with the maidens yesterday.
You mean they came with a man to fight you?
No. He joined them later. But the thing is, I haven't seen this one before.
It's not possible. Every man in this Iduu has come here, and you know that.
I am sure of this one. They called him Dikeh.
Dikeh?
Yes.
Oh, Dikeh.
Do you know him?
There is only one Dikeh. I heard he was seen yesterday.
I want to know everything about him.
Oh.
Why he keeps away from me and this place.
Don't bother yourself about that. Dikeh is on exile. Whatever he came here to do yesterday was not successful. So I heard he ran back to where he was hiding.
And where is that?
Don't bother yourself. I am here for you. You remember you're not supposed to any other man. Hmm?
This is the most delicious bitter leaf soup I've eaten since I entered into this kingdom as a human being.
Very delicious. Now you're confirming to what I already told you. Okite. She's a wonderful cook. But you see, she cook very well. But I have a problem.
What type of ingredients does she use in preparing this food that's making it taste differently from our people's own? Is it the same ingredients that our women normally use to prepare their own? Or
This is the same reason I don't like taking you out. Oftentimes, problem. Why are you asking about the ingredients? Are you a cook? Eat this food now and go back home. Your father will be looking for you.
Let me tell you. You see, my father can look for me, my mother can look for me, even my grandmother can look for me. I will stay here till tomorrow morning. I will wash plates for food.
As if you're the person paying for this. Criminal. I know why I'm taking you out. Because you always watch my back when I want to.
I will watch you in your front.
I am glad that you came. I was thinking you opened my eyes and then left.
No. My child was very ill.
Huh?
Yes.
She's attacking you, Okite?
No. She has no powers over the people of Agbanabo.
Okay. Anyway, I struck our plan. I go there to get food, so she does not suspect. And waste them.
Good. You are doing very well. And when do you hope to bring other men in?
It's not easy. They will not believe me.
You have the antidote already. Why not make them take it? Eh? Ezemajiaka is already warming up to encroach into your kingdom. And you must think fast.
What is your interest in this, Obako?
I promise to tell you. And there's no better time to do so than now. Ezemajiaka has taken more than enough. Not just from you people alone, but also from our own people too. Under the rotational dynasty we created in Agbanabo, he was supposed to vacate the throne 5 years ago for another family to take over. He did not. Instead, he used his evil powers to keep the throne to himself. And now, he wants to bring Iduu Kingdom under his evil powers. The same Iduu that our forefathers already granted freedom. Ta! Anemi onye mungusu na ala. I am a man of the gods. I cannot fold my hands and watch a man make mockery of our history. A people that our forefathers already made free cannot be brought under perpetual bondage. That is what he is planning to do, and we must stop him.
My mother told me that if you come into my hut in search of me.
Oh, she told you. So why are you not bothered to come ask of me?
What I am trying so hard to understand the reason for this meeting.
Okomadu, why are you treating me as if I'm a stranger?
Iduu, should I tell you the truth? You are a stranger to me. Get it into your head.
It's me, Iduu, your fiancé. We're supposed to be getting married after the New Yam Festival.
It's not only after the New Yam Festival. You are supposed to be married to me after New Cocoyam Festival. Let me tell you something. There is this woman from Ubah named Okite.
She is in Abata village. That is where I've been going every time. Most of the times you came to my hut, you will not see me. I'll be there.
If you or any maiden from Iduu Kingdom must get married, you must take a journey to Okite's joint and learn how to prepare soup.
Are you working out of me?
Are you saying I cannot cook? You once told me I cook better than your mother.
That was then. Okite is in charge now.
In fact, if you must marry
or anywhere come close to me as my wife, you must outcook Okite in bitter leaf soup.
Okite from Ubah. What has she done to our men?
Okite si bago, ila ila, ila ila, ila ila. Okite si jago, ila ila, ila ila, ila ila. Onye obuna agbalu biaba.
Ibangusi, what message have you brought from her?
My king, I think it is time that the people of Iduu will approach Nkwanani with the names of the men, that one of them will be chosen to become the king.
So what plans has she put in place?
She said she already has Nkwanani where she wants him. And whatever you say must be done.
That is true. No matter how strong a man is, he cannot argue with the masquerade that holds an unweapon. That's true. Now I want you to send words back to Ugo.
she must force Bonami to tell the men of Iduu that their gods and their ancestors have rejected all the men of Iduu and barred all of them from sitting on that throne.
Odogu, Ike, the king of all kings, the oracle that everybody fears. I bow to you. She said you should get ready to enter into Iduu and take over the whole of Iduu.
I had always known that the human sacrifice I made to her deity, her goddess, will go a long way to yield positive results. And now the good days are here. I am going to crush Iduu, bring them under my feet.
Yes.
And let me make you one promise, right here and right now in Sheibangs. When that time comes, when Iduu shall become part of our kingdom one more time, you shall be handsomely rewarded.
Isn't this it? Hey! Odogu carry Odogu. Ije Logba. Oh, my king. I bow. I bow. Oh, Odogu. I bow and tremble.
I have always been on your side, and you know that.
5 whole years, Mbonani. What do you expect me to do? Welcome you with open arms?
You can at least offer me a seat. I cannot say all that happened within these 5 years. At least not now. I am here to inform you that the time has come for you to come home.
Bonani, have you come here to make mockery of me?
I was the one that asked you to come to this place in the first place. And I have eventually come on my own to ask you to come back home.
To do what? To do what exactly? Bonani, let me ask you. What exactly do you call a home? You mentioned home. Because to me, a home is somewhere where you find peace. This is my home. I find peace here.
Listen. The spirit of your father will not be gentle with you forever. He has been coming to you to give you hint that the time has come. And I am here to make the message clear. If you fail, Dikeh, if you fail to heed to this call, then the battle will be between you and the spirit of your father, our late king. A very important decision will be made in our kingdom tomorrow. You must not be found missing at that meeting.
He knows about my dreams.
How time flies. I can't believe it is 5 years already.
I can't believe we survived without a king.
The ghosts never left our side.
In there, Bonane, are the effigies of the chief of the 3 men from the royal family.
Yes.
Bonane, could you please let us know what the gods are showing you?
None. I am seeing no king among the 3.
This is the date you gave to us. You promised us that the gods sanctioned this day. Are you asking us to go and come back another day?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. Listen, elders. Something terrible has been happening to every man in this kingdom. And that has made none of the 3 men you presented fit to mount on the throne of our ancestors.
Mponan, spare us all these riddles of yours. We need a king, and we need him now.
We need a king. That is what we
Now.
are saying, Bonane.
Now.
I will be with you soon.
Bonane, we respect you so much as the one that hears from the gods and the one that sees the unseen. We respect you so much, and we expect you to equally accord to us the same respect.
In what way have I disrespected you, Nzomozo?
Bonane, this is supposed to be a meeting of the kingmakers of Iduu Kingdom. Now, you did not only set us into confusion by telling us that none of the men we selected is fit to mount the throne. You went as far as bringing this.
His name is Dikeh, a prince of Iduu Kingdom. I don't believe you have forgotten so soon.
Bonani, please, what is happening? What is happening?
Like I said before, something terrible has been happening to all the men of this kingdom. And that has made the 3 men you elected unfit to mount the throne.
Now listen, Onan. The parcel that must be opened must not be pinched. And you have refused to tell us that terrible thing that has been happening in this kingdom. Or is Dikeh the explanation?
I am now glad you know his name. Listen, she may not be who we all believe she is. The food she has been serving all the men of Iduu Kingdom has not been nourishing our body. Rather, it has been weakening our leadership and progressive elements that make us powerful men.
Mponan, stop talking to us in riddles. Tell us what is happening.
Where are we going to? Where are you dragging me to? Eh? What are you up to? Where are you dragging me to?
I'm okay. I told you this already. I had a dream yesterday where Nkonani told me that Okite is terribly evil. And that she's here to destroy our land.
Is that new? There is nothing new in what you just said. I always said it, but no. Nobody listened to Amogi. Now why are you all of a sudden acting as if you don't know my stand? Why?
Nkonani told me that we the maidens are the only ones that could destroy the evil woman. I just want you to accompany me to his place so he can explain himself properly.
Chinonso, I do not need any seer. Leave me alone. If you must know, I do not need a seer for me to confront or do whatever it is I want to do. In fact, if you must know it now that I am Ogi. I'm equally a seer.
I'm okay.
A seer.
Why does she joke with everything? I'm okay.
Onyense, please sit down. Sit down.
Sit down to do what? Sit down to do what? To listen to his senseless talk?
What has Okite ever done to you? Nkwanani? Why have you decided to tarnish our image this way? Why? A beautiful cook the gods sent us from Igbo Etiti. Why are you linking her to the evil king of Agbanabo? Why?
And Onny, for your own good, I want to believe that you have only spoken this nonsense to us.
I owe no one any explanation or apologies for what I am asked to say.
And that is my question. Who asked you, Only, to say it? Who? He will claim it is the gods, of course. You know his way. If the gods reject the 3 men we selected on the basis that they ate from Okite's portion, who then do the gods want to sit on the throne? Who?
The only king of Iduu that will salvage this land from the witchcraft they have injected into our leadership and progressive mechanisms is the only one man that has never eaten from a pot.
Then the gods want the throne to be empty forever. Because no man in Iduu Kingdom will ever say he has not eaten from Okite's pot.
Yes. There is only one man of Iduu Kingdom that has never tested a food.
Could it
be? He is the chosen one. He is the one the gods have chosen to redeem our people. He is the only one that can sit on that throne.
Nkwanan, you must be joking. This is a joke.
Only, are you?
I think it is not wise to do so.
It is foolish not to do so. She deserves to know what the people are saying about her.
Okay. It is not the people. It is Nkwanani and Dikeh.
Good point. And I, Umozo, insist that she deserves to know.
It is obvious Dikeh has come to disrupt the peace we have enjoyed all these years. And Nkwanani thinks, because of his influence, he will support him.
Madukana here. Is it okay? Okite is under our care, and we will do the best we can to protect her. We will equally do our best to protect our throne. It's as simple as that.
She is just an innocent woman. This information will make her panic, and she will run away. But we can protect her without telling her. I think it is better this way.
Nzokeke, I agree with you. But let us focus more on protecting the throne from that over-ambitious boy and his sidekick, Nkwanani.
What exactly is his interest in this matter?
Are you doubting my intentions?
I don't doubt your intentions, Mbonani. It is the man from Agbanabo that I do not trust. Remember, we all know where we stand with them.
Okite is from Agbanabo. Her name is Ugo Agbanabo. She works closely with their evil king, Ezembajaka.
And this is the information that was given to you by this same man from Agbanabo, when the woman herself said that she is from Igbo Etiti.
So what is your point?
My point, Mbonani, is that this might be a ploy by Agbanabo to bring war amongst us.
You did not eat from my food. I did. You did not experience the dreadful wonders that the food did to my body and soul. I did. And again, you did not experience the purification of body and mind that the antidote did on me. I did.
So, your point now is?
You have two choices about Dikeh. It's either you answer the call of our ancestors and redeem our land, or you go back to your mother's people and live in shambles.
Leave me alone. Ogini.
You should be happy that I'm here. Why? The dream is now becoming clearer.
Why are you here?
Dikeh is back.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. And not just that. I think he's here to confront the evil woman.
Hi. Are you joking with me? Eh? Is this supposed to be a joke? Where did you get this information from, Chinonso? Because if indeed Dikeh is around like you said, you and I know he will come here to see me. Yes.
Considering the last experience he had with your father when he visited you, do you think he will come back to you?
So where is he now?
I have no idea. But I think Nkwanani might too.
Ha! Chinonso.
Oh, I'm okay.
Chinonso. Hey! Is this a game? Is this one of your tiny little games you created just so you can drag me to go and sing Nkwanani with you?
I'm okay.
I hope.
This is not a joke. I am serious. Dikeh is back. And you must come with me now. Let's go.
You are serious?
I am serious.
I told you. Her hold on them is very strong. You don't expect them to believe you just like that. She has been feeding them for the past 5 years.
So what is your suggestion? Because if this woman is as dangerous as you claim she is, then we have no time. The men will go to her with what happened here today and she will react.
Fight her directly. We should fight her directly. That is the only way out.
Fight a woman?
And who exactly are the we?
I am only here to help your people.
And you have your own personal interest, remember?
I can live with the problems that I have. On the other hand, your kingdom will not survive Ezembajiaka's plans for her. Having said that, I am only here to give you my undiluted support.
Dikeh. So it's true. It's true. It's true. I told you. It's true. Why did you stop by my heart?
I'm so sorry. I've been very busy.
Elders, I greet.
Greetings. Why are you worried over this? Our people are half worried as you are.
Then it means your people do not understand the implications of having no king. At this time, enemies can encroach.
I understand you love our people, but we will love ourselves more than you do. No one has heard anything about the meeting of the elders with Onny, but I know we expect nothing less than success. Soon, the new king will emerge.
I can't wait to set my eyes on the new king.
Why? Are you planning to be his queen?
Are you willing to let me go?
You have to leave, both of you. I will see you later. I promise.
No, Dikeh, that's not the point. As long as the reason for this meeting has something to do with that woman that I spotted in this village from day one and nobody listened to me, we're going to be part of it.
Does she know the reason for the meeting?
Maybe an introduction would help. We are the leaders of the maidens that went to challenge Okite. Does that make any sense to you?
5 years ago, when I spotted that woman in our land, I just knew that she was evil. Now, I may not know just how evil or dangerous she may be. I certainly know she has no good influence on our land. Use us. Use us anyhow you want. We, the maidens of this land, we stand for peace, prosperity, happiness, and unity. And all of these have eluded us all these years because of that woman, and it breaks our hearts.
Maybe they may be of help.
Yes.
Nothing eludes me. Nothing gets me worried. I am always on top of my game. Nothing confuses me. Why does it look like I'm worried over this? Why does it look like I'm worried over this?
No one has heard anything about the meeting of the elders of Onny. But I know we expect nothing less than success. Soon, the new king will emerge.
No, I should not be part of that nobody that he talked about. I should know what is going on. They are supposed to be having problems with their choice of a king now. They are supposed to have been at war at this time. This is supposed to be the time that Mbajaka should come in. My mission is supposed to be coming to an end now.
She promised me sunset. Huh? It is almost night. No words from her. Does it mean our plan is not working out? No. I have waited all these years to put these people where they belong. I cannot think of failure now. No. I have waited all these years to put Iduu where I want them to be. Ugo, you and your goddess, you cannot fail me. Ugo, you and your goddess, both of you cannot afford to fail me.
My king! My king! I bow in greetings, my king.
Have you seen Ugo lately?
Yes, I met with her and she sent me with a message to you.
How is our plan coming out?
Oh, positive, my king. She just said you should just give her just 2 more days. She will deliver the people of Iduu into your hands. Yes, my king.
I trust her. I trust her absolutely. In fact, I trust her with my life.
My king.
You will live long too.
Why must I be the one to do this?
Are you the one asking this? Last time I checked, you are the one that wanted her out of this kingdom.
Yeah, but not this way.
Which way? Didamaka, which way? Listen, we don't have time, okay? If we must do this, then we must do it now.
I must do this, you mean?
Do it. Be the hero.
Chinoso, I'm okay. Both of you have men that visit her place too. Why must it be Nduka?
Because none of our so-called men is as close to her as your own man is. Now move it.
I vowed never to talk to him again. Let alone make him think I still have interest in him.
Didamaka, you're not doing this for yourself, my friend. You are doing this for Iduu. Now go. Let us go.
I am helpless and you know it. I do not read their minds, nor do I monitor their meetings. I rely on you and my portion.
I know all that.
I do not even know the outcome of the meeting. None of those men has come to me as expected. I had to send a false message back to the king so he doesn't panic. Are you still here?
I see nothing as well. The antidote, that is the only power that can blow my vision. Did anyone bring it into the kingdom?
But that's not possible because they do not even know who I am.
Be calm, child. I shall come back to you when I have answers. But be rest assured that I can accept nothing but victory. Victory for you. Victory for the king that made me human sacrifice. Do not panic, for I am always with you.
That's not possible. The antidote cannot get to Iduu.
You're not feeling fever, So I don't know what must have caused you or pushed you to come here and be vomiting this nonsense. Are you drunk?
Me?
Ingomanya?
Nduka, I can't believe that you are calling me a drunk.
Probably my leaving you must have caused you to become a drunk.
Nduka, listen. I am not here because I want you back. I am here because the survival of this kingdom, our kingdom, lies in your hands. Not exactly, but your help will be appreciated. You just have to help us to stop that woman from carrying up her evil plans. She's not what you think she is.
Then go back and tell those that sent you that I cannot help to provide a dibia that will cure their madness.
They are not mad. Ndoka, you are. You and every other man in this kingdom. She has been feeding people with some kind of potion that has some elements of witchcraft. That is why all our men, including you, have lost their minds.
How much were you paid to do this?
Ndoka, I urge you to free your thought and think. She is using her evil fluid to weaken the leadership and progressive mechanism that made Iduu great.
You're making a wild allegation here, you know. I will ask Ini Agbanabo when I go to her place to eat tomorrow. I will ask her.
Nduka, suit yourself. How did it go? How do you expect it to go? Ndoka has finally lost it. Nobody can talk sense into him anymore.
Did you try to say anything to him at all?
Yes, I did. I told him everything I know about that woman. But he won't even allow me to say a word about our plans.
So you just left? He said nothing?
Yes. He actually said something. He said that he will ask her when he goes there to eat tomorrow. Oh.
Itamaka. And you walked out just like that.
Excuse me. What was I supposed to do? Ha! Go in there and lie down. She knows so. I'm okay.
Okay.
Look at disgust me. And if being part of this entails going back to him, then count me out.
Hey, we can't allow him go to her with that information. It's dangerous now.
If that message would bother her, I think by now she would have killed everybody. Remember that our fathers would have given her the same message after the meeting yesterday.
I don't think they are as stupid as Nduka, who I am very sure will definitely tell her like he promised.
I was worried when none of you showed up.
You are that star that brightens our world. You have no reason to be worried in our land.
I wasn't worried about me.
I heard you were supposed to choose a king yesterday. Obviously, that didn't happen.
That got you worried? Even our women are less concerned about it.
I want the best for this kingdom.
I know how occasions like that can turn into war.
Oh, no, not at all. We are glad you love our kingdom this way.
As per yesterday's occasion, yes, we had some issues, but we will resolve it.
What kind of issues, please? Mkponani is a trusted man. He was supposed to do the right thing. He was supposed to lead you to the new king. Before yesterday, we spoke and he assured me that he was going to do the right thing. Mkponani, I just gave you food and you're leaving immediately. Why?
See, I cannot wait to go home and have this food. I am famished.
Then why not sit and eat? And why have you been insisting on taking your food home lately?
See, I am not just another man of Iduu. I shouldn't be eating outside. But since I cannot resist your food, I have to continue improvising.
Wait, Mkponani. Talking about who you are, what are we expecting tomorrow?
Ha! Everything that will make everyone happy, especially our visitors. The new king will be the one that among all things will love our visitors and open our land to others.
Unlike our last king that was too protective.
We don't want to lose someone like you. Cambiam Nigeria for Ubah.
Okite si bago, ila ila, ila ila, ila ila. Okite si jago, ila ila, ila ila, ila ila. Onye ọbụla agbalụ bịaba, ila ila, ila ila, ila ila. Ndị elibe anasị aka, ila ila, ila ila. Ebe ọ na-esi ndị anya fụrụ, ife o ji esi ndị anya marọ. Ili chofu, ichọba ọzọ, ọ ya esi n'afọ lalụgo bigo.
Yes, he assured me that everything would be fine.
It is not what we cannot handle. It is just that the son of our late king has him on his arm. He wants to be a king. Onny is ready to do anything to support him, including trying to blackmail you.
What?
Not you exactly. I know he wanted to say blackmail the kingmakers. Not you.
Yes, the kingmakers. They try to blackmail us, but we have it under control.
I'll get you your usual.
Okite. Okite, what?
Ila ila, ila ila, ila ila. Okite si jago, ila ila, ila ila.
Be mindful of your mouth. Be mindful of your mind. Be careful. Let her be.
Nduka will do it. He had a little sense left in him before the woman took it away. It's not... No offense to you, my friend. No offense.
Why should I be offended? Of course I'm not.
So now that you maidens failed at your first task, what is left?
But please, can we do this without involving Ndoka? I mean, like Amoge said, there's no sense left in him. So what do you want to do with somebody like that?
Unfortunately, he is the only one we can use. He is the closest to her.
Maidens, whatever happens, do not let him go to her tomorrow. We must do this silently.
What do we do? Tie him down?
Exactly what I was thinking about.
I don't see how doing that supports that we have to do this silently.
Maybe you should listen to my plan first then.
I think we have him. I hope so. I hope so too.
So, this is what has been happening to you and every other man in this land, apart from Dikeh.
I don't understand. If Okite was evil, then why didn't we know? Especially you, Mbonani. You're supposed to be a seer.
When I was talking about her powers, I was not just talking about any kind of powers. Her powers can destroy even the strongest Dibia.
So what am I expected to do? Oh, and what makes you think I can defeat her?
Because you are the closest to her among the men.
Yes. Two things can bring her down forever. The first will take her goddess, the source of her powers, away from her. And the second will help you achieve the first.
Since it's about this kingdom, I'll do anything. We don't need to experience what our forefathers experienced in the hands of Agbanabo people.
The antidote. The same antidote that cleared your system of her food is her weakness. Find a way of giving it to her and take the woman in her. What? Yes.
Take the woman in her. I'm sure you've dreamt about it all your life. It is possible you have even done it once with her. So, do it again and save our land.
No, I don't think so. I don't think he has done it. Because no man can ordinarily sleep with her. That will strip her of her powers.
And now, he is equipped to do that. It has to be this night. The ball is in your court.
Nduka, why are you here?
I got an information concerning the emerging king, so I came to give it to you first. Yes, I brought this special wine for us, and I wish to spend the night in your company.
Oh, just go away with your lust. Now tell me. Tell me all you know about the emerging king.
It was a long wait. I thought you would never see the woman in me. You've succeeded finally. How did you do that?
I told you liked the wine. It's a new one in town.
Yes, I like the taste. I wish I could drink it every day. Come here.
It's morning already.
Okite! Okite!
You heard the
so early?
And I can see that you have arrived here earlier than myself.
I'm on my way out.
Nduka,
Eh?
where is Okite? And what were you doing inside her hut?
I believe you heard the story in a more ceremonial way.
Of course, Ndoka succeeded. He made her drink the special wine that has the antidote and then slept with her all through the night.
What have you done? Why have you betrayed me?
I do not know what he did to me. He came with something mightier than me.
Oh, you shut up! You are a man, and I made it clear that I must not share you with anyone.
I am sorry. I am sorry, you know. You know I cannot hurt you intentionally. He used something on me.
You let him into your heart. You allowed him to start caressing you. You allowed him to get you aroused. I warned you against all this. But you stupidly let him into the woman in you. You are not on your own.
Please, ever-loving and beautiful goddess of the forest and the sea. Please do not abandon me now, please. I can do nothing without you, please. You are me. Do not do this to me. Do not abandon me now. Please do not abandon me now, please. Please do not abandon me now, I beg you. I beg you, I beg you, please. Please do not abandon me now. Please do not abandon me now.
Where is he?
He cannot make it.
He was with us here last night. How could he have taken ill?
Well, he said we should carry on without him. He wishes not to show his face again. So what do we do now?
Can you be trusted? Did you actually sleep with her?
Were you not the one that fortified the decanter? We should be talking about what awaits me here since I've slept with her. Did Ubah could tell you the cause of his illness? Is she attacking him now?
Agbanabo has absolutely no powers over the people of Agbanabo.
Why didn't I see this coming?
Okite, come out please. It is me. Zeumozo Madukanaya is here.
Tell her we're waiting for the food.
Okite.
Maybe we should go in and see if she's still there.
Nobody move in here.
We have been waiting since morning. She refuses to talk to us.
Even you, all of you, Lindsay, you're a married man and you've been here since morning. For what? To eat from another woman's pot?
I never trusted you. Ever since you left for your mother's place. Who knows? What have you done to this innocent woman?
The question is not what I have done to her. The question is what she has done to you and all the other men of Iduu Kingdom.
Ya ekuzikwana na nwaanyị a na-esi ncha. Inugo?
Dikeh, are you with your senses?
Antidote that brings death and takes lives away. Make a choice. Speak to me and leave. Hide anything from me and you are dead. The choice is yours.
Take it away. Tell him to go away.
Hey, the choice is yours.
Take it away. Tell him to take it away. Great is Ini.
What is chasing you? And why must he chase you into my compound?
Come. What is it happening? It is happening already. As we speak, we are taking the evil Okite to the village square.
Are you serious?
Let us go.
Yeah, Mama, go to the park. The village square immediately. It is happening now. Are you serious?
Taking Okite to the village square. What does that mean? Okay, let me collect it.
You don't want to return to your king the corpse, do you? Tell these people here what you really are and your mission in Iduu.
Huh? What kind of madness is this, Bonani? And why are you harassing an innocent woman?
Our people, this is Okite, a beautiful woman from Ubah that came to our land to cook. Not just a very good cook.
Yes.
Not just a cook. Okite here remains the best cook we have ever seen.
Best cook. Best what? Best cook.
Now go and free her. Go and set her free. Go and free her.
You know what this is, right? Now, start speaking or else I will hold it to your face until you die. Speak!
Yes. Yes, it's true. It's true.
Speak.
I am not from Ubah. I am from Agbanabo. I am a descendant of Belegedala, the goddess of the forest and sea. I was sent by Ezembajaka
He empowered me with the sacred staff of Agbanabo. My mission was to weaken the minds of men of Iduu. I was supposed to make them useless to the point where they're willing to submit to Ezembajaka. I succeeded in doing that. I made the portion they ate from the eggs of vultures and chameleons and the sweat in between my thighs.
I served you. Look at what you are eating.
I put them in the foods they ate.
Men of Iduu Kingdom, you have seen the innocent woman that you welcomed with open arms. Have you seen her? And some of you even left your women for.
We brought her back this night, Majiaka, to tell you how crucial it is. Maybe she succeeded in the mission you sent her on. Or maybe not. You will have to ask her. No. Meanwhile, keep away from her kingdom.
Or maybe you don't have to keep away. But be careful. Watch your every move. Because from today henceforth, we have our eyes on you. DJ, Bonani.
How did this happen?
The antidote was brought into Iduu. Someone from here did.
How is that possible? The antidote of Agbanabo finding its way to Iduu Kingdom. How is that possible?
You are laughing.
Why are you laughing?
Are you in any way connected with this?
What did you do? Majiaka, you desecrated the sacred staff of Agbanabo when you empowered the woman to go weaken a people the gods made strong. A people our forefathers gave freedom. A people our forefathers liberated are the people you plan to bring under bondage. Majiaka, you are no longer worthy to be on this throne. So I urge you to step down and give it up now.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
How dare you? You are talking to our own king? Like that? How dare you?
Ibangus, shut up and stay out of this, you psychopath. He was the first to challenge the gods and our ancestors by planning to criminally upturn that which they set up. The gods have turned their backs on this man. They are no longer with him. And I urge you to watch your movement. Retrace your steps.
You deserve nothing. Death.
Ibangus, the secret staff of Agbanabo is too elevated in our history to be dragged in the mud. If you know you are not part of this evil conspiracy, pick up that staff. You will not pick it up.
On this second day, immediately after we've been delivered and sanctified from the evil portion of Ugo Agbanabo, we have come before thee, O greatest and assign of Iduu Kingdom, to once again register our allegiance.
It has become clear we erred. We allowed ourselves to be fooled by Igwe Mbajaka of Agbanabo, the same king you fought all your life to keep away from Iduu Kingdom.
We are sorry to have failed to continue from where you stopped. And we all are standing before your resting place to say we are sorry, for we have betrayed you.
We have come before thee on this special occasion, standing by your resting place to decree that never again shall the elders of Iduu Kingdom take any decision without inquiries.
We have decided to crown your son, Dikeh, the king of Iduu Kingdom. We are asking you rise in your might and take Iduu to where it should be.
Forgive and bless us on Eke Day.
Forgive and bless us on Ukwo Day.
Forgive and bless us on Offor Day.
And forgive and bless us on Uri Day.
Iduu land shall be like tomorrow, for tomorrow has no end. It shall be well with our land. It shall be well with our land. it shall be well with our land.
Iduu kwenu. Kwenu. Kwezu onu. History has once again repeated itself. Men are nothing without the gods. When men elect to move without their ancestors, they move into confusion. We have found healing in Iduu Kingdom, and that healing will stay with us forever. It is a new dawn in Iduu. Let us come together, work together, and rebuild Iduu Kingdom. Iduu kwenu! Kwenu! Kwezu onu! His phone! Your phone!
Let the music begin!
father is not around.
Do you know me?
Of course I do. You are Ugo, the maiden of our land that has a goddess.
Good. Your father stole something from the palace. The almighty staff of Agbanabo. I am here to retrieve it.
My father is not a thief.
Do not attempt to defend your evil father before me. For he it was that started this evil process that finally killed the king and triggered the anger of my goddess. Get in there and get the staff, or I'll kill you. Get going!
Chichiru